while you are learning and making sense of all your chaos internally as a person, you have to lead people who are also going through that kind of chaos. Knowing yourself is not an easy task. It's an ongoing process. I've learned so much about myself when the pandemic hit. And then I lost so much. When I lost so much, may bago na namang layer ng sarili ko nakilala. And when I lost my mom last year, sobrang ibang layer na naman na nakita ko. It's ongoing. Never stops. Pag hindi mo yan tinanggap, talagang bibigay ka, maiinis ka na sa buhay. So kaya ang buhay natin magulo na. Magulo din yung buhay ng iba at nagsama-sama pa tayo kasi meron tayong gusto abutin. Pero magkakaiba-iba tayo ng pananaw ay talagang chaos. Now you understand. While you are learning and making sense of all your chaos internally as a person, you have to lead people who are also going through that kind of chaos. So, ano ba? It's so cliche. Sabihin, let's be kind to one another because we don't know what we are going through, di ba? What everyone is going through. It's true. It's true. But as business leaders, you know, na meron tayong organizational goals that I hope to identify with.